Thanks for tuning in. I hope your crypto dreams are coming true. Me, I'm great. Thanks to the magic wheel of crypto. I've been using this wheel for the past few years to make my crypto predictions, and it has brought me very much joy. Now, I'm bringing it to you. Just so you know, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Today's video is being sponsored by Dollar Grist Beauty Supply. They do have all your hair care needs. Please go check them out. I will have a link with all their information in the description of this video. Thanks, Dollar Grist Beauty Supply. And before we get into the recap and the Helium update and all that, please go out there, hit that like, hit subscribe, hit that little bell so you can get the latest predictions from the magic wheel. All right, we got that out the way. We're back again with another one. We are coming to you with a crypto update today. You know we do talk about helium here on this channel. We are doing helium updates on helium mining. We have set up a helium miner. It's been about 45 days or so. I'm not exactly sure on that exact date. But we've been doing about a month and a half, and we're actually trying to see if you can still make money with helium. All right, so I'm putting these videos out so that you can make your own decision about helium and what you think about it. I did explain last week that I did hook up an additional miner. So I'm up to a total of 5 miners myself. 3 of them have already paid for the whole 5. But I'm just continuing on because I want people to know if you got in right now, is it still profitable? So make your own decisions. Take that information. Do what you want with it. All right? So today, helium is currently sitting at $4.51 per helium. Now that is down 12% over the last 24 hours. And that's not too bad, because if you look at the charts, I put it up here, and it shows that over the last 7 days, we did get up to around $5.40 for one helium. So it's down almost $1 from that point, which was about maybe 6 days ago. But it's just a fluctuating thing as of right now. It's going up, it's going down. You just got to stay in it and build up helium. Right now, I'm just stacking up helium and holding on to it. I'm looking for a good high point to get rid of it. So right now, myself, I'm just holding, just continue to collect helium because it doesn't cause me any problems to mine it. You know, you set up the machine and you set it and forget it. Once you get it set up properly, you don't really have to worry about it anymore. You're just checking it on your phone and things of that nature. Now, if you look, you'll see over the last 30 days, we have accumulated 2.29 HNT, which is our 30-day rolling average as of right now. If you look at the beginning of the chart, you'll see that there was a lot of down days and things like that. And to my surprise, lately, helium has been picking up, and it has been sending out lots of beacons and witnesses and all of that. So it's been a lot of activity going on with helium right now. So this may be the time for you to get in. Now, these helium miners, they're real cheap right now. You can get one for brand new for like $199. I've seen some $250, but $250 is the standard right now. But I've seen them as low as $199. You can go on eBay, Amazon, places like that, and maybe get it even lower. I'm not certain. So over that 30 days, the 2.29 helium, as of today, as this video is being recorded, that was only $10.91. I didn't do anything but just connect the machine up, and that's what has made over that rolling time frame. So that's where we're at now. If we look at the 24-hour period, which in previous videos, if you want to go back and look at them, you'll see where I said I want to average about at least 0.10 HNT, but right now we're averaging 0.15 HNT, which is up So at that rate, we would definitely be able to make around 3 to 4 HNT monthly, which is not bad. If you also look, you'll see that like over the 7-day period, we got 32 beacons, and that's where you're getting your rewards from, is the beacons, right? So that's up. Normally it's been sitting around the 20 range, something like that. So we're definitely getting more beacons. The rewards are coming in more quicker. So this is a good time to maybe get into Helium. Make your own decision, okay? So that's our Helium update on our miners that we've been doing on this channel. I'm waiting on Helium to shoot back up a little higher. I'm in the opinion that it should top out above the $50 range, but I believe that's gonna be an all-time high. So it's gonna surpass the all-time high, but it's gonna come back down and even out around the $20-$25 range. That's what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. We'll just have to see. All right. There is some voting going on Helium right now. If you're a Helium member, make sure you go out there and vote if you want to. The people with the most Helium get the biggest vote. So I don't know if your vote will count if you're not just if you're just starting, but it's worth doing. It's worth seeing the process and see how everything goes. All right. So that's the Helium update. Now let's get into the crypto update for today. First people I gotta mention, Vote Inu. Shout out to Vote. They have been listed on Bittrex, another top tier exchange. Now we look at the price here. The price of Vote right now is at 607289 at the time of this video. That is down a little bit, but if you look at the chart, you'll see that they did have that big spike right there, and that spike came from being listed on Gate.io. Now, I don't think we'll see the same spike with Bittrex. We may, who knows? I hope to, but it's no big deal. They're making moves for the future. Fotoshi has the blueprint. You know what I mean? So if you understand that, he has the blueprint that's going to take us to the top. All right, so if Bittrex doesn't give you any major movement, no big deal. You might want to get in right now before this thing goes crazy, because guess what? You listed on that on the Gate.io. You listed on Bittrex. You listed on, I think, 30 or 40 other exchanges, at least 30. You're just waiting on Coinbase. We're waiting on Crypto.com. We're waiting on Binance to put this thing on there. And once that happens, man, it's going to be outrageous. So get you some Vote Inu right now. That's what I would do. Not giving you financial advice, just letting you know what I would do. So, keep that in mind. So that's what's happening with Vote Inu, and shout out to them. Shout out to Pablo Crow. Shout out to Mr. Organic. Those guys have been pushing that Vote Inu power. Check out the VC. Check out the Telegram VC. Those guys are in there to help and answer any questions, and they're really good guys. So just check them out. All right. So next, just to run through some other things that we have here. Bone has went down to $1.20. It's down only 1.24% on the 24-hour, which is not a big deal. Now Bone was up there a little higher, around that $2 range. We got in Bone at around 60-some cents, 66 cents. I'm definitely waiting on it. If it goes back down, I'm still invested right now, and I'm not going to buy anymore unless it goes down back around that 60-cent range, and I will be buying back in. I have taken profits from Bone. Great project. I'm not really in depth with that project, but it's just one that came across, and I was like, man, I got to get invested in this, because it's dealing with Shiba and things like that a little bit. So check into it yourself. Do your own research on that one. Cardano still holding around the 46-cent range. Kind of going sideways, up, downs, things like that. But Cardano is a good long-term play to me. I think it's one that's going to be around for a while. All right, so I wanted to mention them. Now we do want to also mention Shibnobi, which is Shinja. I don't have the price right now, but just remember that they are doing a migration. It's supposed to be coming in November, so check them out. Do your research, see what's going on with them. Now, I did run across one that I seen the other day called Hulk Inu. Shout out to Adam Sheldon, the captain. And he had an AMA on there the other day, and the guy, the man over Hulk Inu, he seemed like a really intelligent guy. I'm going to have to go back and watch the video because I did come in towards the end, so I want to go back and watch that video and see what all he was talking about there. I have not invested in Hulk Inu myself, but it's one that I'm looking at putting on the wheel. So that's where we're at. That's the crypto update for today. Now, guess what? Let's get into the magic wheel of crypto. And I want to do this pretty quick so I can get this video out to you. Now, we did spin the wheel. We landed on Shiba. I haven't messed with the wheel. It was sitting at 401184 at the time of the video. And now it's sitting at 40105. It's down about 10%. I'm going to choke this wheel because it did make us lose a little something there. But no big deal. The wheel has been great. It can't be right every time. But Shiba is a solid project. It's going to be around for years. So if you did get invested in Shiba, please hold your money. It's going to be going back up before you know it, all right? So that's where we're at with all that. Last but not least, we'll get a wheel spin in so we can get this video out to you. Okay, on the wheel today, we have Shiba, our winner, Cardano, XRP, Doge, Bone, Volt Inu, Shinja, BNB, Hex, Banana Task Force 8, Helium, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crow, and we have a respin spot. So those are all of our picks for the wheel today. I think I'm going to be making some changes, and if not, I'll go ahead and probably take everything off the wheel and shuffle them, put them back on if we don't get a good pick today. So, also, there's going to be a members portion coming on the channel with the membership. I know that one thing I'm going to do is try to have a monthly giveaway for all members. So if you join the channel membership, you will be put into the drawing each month, and there will be a winner, one winner a month. That's one thing I got coming up. It's not ready yet, but it's coming. Also, hit that super sticker button. Show some love to the channel. We appreciate anybody that tunes in, but thanks for anybody that just stops by, looks at the info, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe, and all that. Now, if you want me to put your project on the Magic Wheel of Crypto, please leave a comment below. We'll take a look at your project. If it's not a rug pull or it doesn't look suspicious, we'll add it to the wheel. And if we land on your project, we will be investing, okay? So keep that in mind. With all that being said, let's do this wheel spin. And I got the wheel corrected today. That was upside down. We got it straightened out. So let's see what happens. And boom, we're going to land on Banana Task Force 8, which has been one that I actually got into a while back. And I actually got out of that one. Let me look it up real quick. Let's see what the price is on that thing. We're going to check CoinMarketCap. Now we're showing we're showing Banana Task Force 8 to be sitting at 501646 is actually down 5% on the 24-hour. And you know, it's always good to get in when it's down. That's why they always tell you don't buy on the green candles, buy on the red candles, because it just dropped and it has the potential to come back up. So Banana Task Force 8 is the pick for today. I definitely thank anybody that tunes in. If you need to get in touch with me, hit me up on Twitter, Magic Crypto Now. I am J Magic. This is the Magic Wheel of Crypto, and we hope your crypto dreams come true. Thanks.